Hi, I am Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of Get Organized, and today is Tuesday, and today is Tip Tuesday, where I give you some kind of tip about organizing your home, business, or life. So today's topic is going to be organizing a packing. Now we're talking about packing presents and wrapping them. So I want to tell you a tip that I do, and actually I think about this all year long, and I apply it not only to Christmas gifts, but also to birthday and other occasions. But it's a tip that I think about. Now we all probably get Amazon packages or packages from other places, and they are often filled with stuffing of some sort that you could use to stuff a box for a gift. So today I actually received a package in the mail, and I was like, this is perfect for a Tip Tuesday. This is just air bubbles, but sometimes they're peanuts, sometimes they are styrofoam blocks, sometimes it's wrapping or stuffing paper. Now you can use a lot in place of some kind of white packing paper, but these are actually great. And you know, as you all know, these also are perforated right here that they can tear. So I may not need all of these, but it's really good to keep some of this throughout the year. So when you're packing a package, if you can really press down and it's going to bend, you can add some of these to it. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. So as an organizing mindset, I have a container out in my garage that I hold additional packing supplies, most of which I didn't pay anything for. I just save from packages that have been delivered to my home. And then when I need them, I go get some. And then as I get more and more and I sort of see that I'm running low, I add to it. So right now, around this time of year, I'm keeping everything that comes in all the packages because they may not stay in that box. And I may do something with them, or it may be a gift for my own self or something I've ordered, and I keep it for gifts. So just a little quick tip on a packing or a gift wrapping idea. You'll stuff these on the inside of the box. And that is our Tip Tuesday tip this week. All right, so I'm going to leave you with something. First of all, I want to tell you the mantle behind me. I did focus on this on one of our Tips Tuesdays previously, and some of our decorators did my mantle back here. And I just want to point out this is just absolutely beautiful. It makes a great background for a Tip Tuesday, and for all the team that did my home, thank you. It's just been wonderful, and I've gotten tons of compliments. So I'm going to leave you with something that we're doing for the entire month of December, and it's going to end December 31st. And so if you're interested in any of our organizing services, and as many of you know, we also have a cleaning side called Get Cleaned. That is a more limited area, more of the North Dallas, Garland, Richardson, Plano, parts of Allen area. And we have bundle boxes that we've put together. They are all ready to be hand delivered to you. And these boxes have a little bit of services in them for organizing, or a lot. And they all have cleaning services in them. And this is just one of them I wanted to show you. This is actually our traveler's box. So the whole theme of this is traveling. There's a $250 Delta gift card inside, free. I mean, we've just thrown that in there, as well as some travel goodies. But then there's also, I think maybe a year worth of cleaning, or 6 months. I can't remember all the things that are in here. But cleaning services for many months, if not a complete year. And then professional organizing service. I think there's like 2 days of professional organizing services in here. I think like 16 hours plus an in-home consultation. So I believe this box is valued around $2,000. And it is highly discounted because not all the services are being charged for in here. So we call these bundle boxes. We have 3 of them, all different themes, all different looks, and we will actually deliver them to you if you so choose. So if you're interested, jump on our professional organizing website, Get Organized, or our Get Cleaned either one of them, and you can inquire with our office there, and they'll be able to give you some more information about our bundle boxes. And again, makes great gifts. If you're getting your house cleaned anyway and you want to get a little organized, why not get all the free stuff that comes in with them? So there is a video also on our website that will tell you more information about this. Not our website, excuse me, our Facebook page. If you scroll down, you'll see that. We'll post it again today after the video so you can see all the goodies inside of here. Well, you guys, I will see you next Tuesday on Tip Tuesday. Bye, guys.